Good morning. Let me present an agenda for research in the COVID pandemic. I am Dr. G.K. Singh, a professor and head of orthopedics at the ERA Lucknow Medical College in Lucknow, India. From the point the ball leaves the hand of the bowler to the time it must be converted to a six or get at the wicket, the batsman has to perceive, process, plan, and implement the action as per his research on the experience of thousands of such balls. When the outcome is as sinister as death of lakhs or their survival, it is no longer a game. This process has to be far more comprehensive, precise, and correct. How effective is each strategy? How costly? How risky? How implementable at the periphery has to be accurately estimated well within time to be useful to either save the life of millions or to lose them. Thus, this effort to open a comprehensive list of research questions, which if answered well and in timely manner, may help develop an optimal plan of response to the pandemic. All of us, from virus to human beings, are perceiving responding beings. Life from birth to death, like cricket, is about perceiving and correctly responding to the next ball. The next painful or pleasurable event that is about to pervade our consciousness. All the time we are trying to convert the outcome to a six and trying to avoid the outcome of out. And if we wish to win the battle of struggle for existence and survival of the fittest, we must do all of this well. When it becomes a war between species, stakes become very high, the cost of incorrect devastating, and thus the process of perceiving, processing, planning, execution of the program, program evaluation, and using the evaluation to optimize it have to be standardized, practiced, and mastered to avoid devastating errors. In the context of the COVID pandemic, our wish list is that we wish to be normal, we wish to be asymptomatic, we wish not to transmit the disease to others, we wish to stay home in case we are symptomatic, to avoid ICU, to avoid ventilator, to avoid death, and avoid the post-COVID syndrome. And therefore, all our wishes are in the direction of these green arrows. These green arrows are transition rates, and there are factors that accelerate the transition and there are factors that break it. Some of these factors are modifiable, and of the modifiable factors, we wish to find out the cost per unit effect of each, the risk, the doability at the desired level of implementation, and compare the group of factors or factors so that we can determine the most cost effective, doable, and the least risky strategy and plan it to be implemented. Now, the policy is that we want to decrease the harmful effects of the COVID pandemic. The plan is based on evidence on each of these transition rates, which is collected by good research, good credible research done in a timely manner. And the plan is converted into a program which defines who has to do what, when, where, how, and with what resource. The program has to be implemented. It has to be evaluated during the implementation, and the evaluation has to be used to optimize it, and the implementation must continue as long as is necessary. So I hope this little talk helps the plan and its execution better.